In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop auto refreshing on your Twitter/X account. So what you want to do is actually not go into the X app. You can't do it through there. What we can do is go to your settings and then go all the way down to the bottom where it says apps. And then go ahead and go find your X app, or go ahead and type it in the search bar. I'm just going to go here. And what this is going to do is it's going to toggle off the background app refresh in the background for data and search and things like that, because sometimes it can slow your app down. So what you want to do really easy here is go where it says background app refresh and toggle that off, and it's that simple. That's how you would stop your auto refreshing on your X app. That way it really closes it down, and then you can always go and close your app down and it won't refresh in the background, taking up battery power or space on your phone. And it's that simple. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one.